Anyone can write Python scripts, but only professional build system. That's where OOP come in. OOP stands from Object Oriented Programming. Imagine you are building an AI agent, chatbot, API for the login and sign up system, automation tool, bots, and data pipelines. So, will you write everything in one file with random functions? That becomes messy, hard to debug, impossible to scale. So, what OOP help us? OOP helps you think like, let's design a real world object in code instead of writing everything in one file with random function. So let's write a code to understand what is OOP and what are the benefits of using OOP inside Python. So first of all, I am going to create a class with name student student and colon. So what is this? What is the meaning of this? We are creating a template or the blueprint. The class is a blueprint. So why we use this? Because in real life we have many students. Instead of writing code again and again, we create one structure. So we create a class with name student, and inside this I am going to create one method def under underscore init under underscore, and I will pass self name age. After that, self dot name self dot age. So what I did in this code, basically this def under underscore init under underscore, it's a constructor or a special function. Why we use it? It runs automatically when object is created, and then self name and age. Python internally does when we create an object using this constructor method, it will automatically create an object. So this block of code runs automatically when an object of a class is created. So let me create an object for that class s1 and then student. So, and I will pass here Ahmad and 26. So here what is this line? Basically we create an object for the class, and when we create an object it runs automatically this block inside our class when this object is created. So constructor initialize object with data. So this block, it is our constructor and it is initializing the object with data. So I hope this will make sense for you. So what is self here? It means the current object. Self means the current object. Why needed? Because we can have multiple students. So let me create another object s2, and I will pass student, and here Ali, and the age is 20. So here the self will help us for the s1 and the s2. So self in s1 we have the name is Ahmad, and for the s2 we have the name is Ali. So without self, Python won't know which object data to store. So I hope this will make sense for you. So then self.name, and we assign the name. Left side the self.name stores data inside object, and the right side the name value coming from the user. We are passing the value from, and this is are the value, and self.name stores data inside object, and the name right side or the value come from the user side. The value come from the user side and we are storing data inside object. I hope this will make sense. So internally, what did so here question arises why we are using self.name. We can also use the name here. Why we use self.name? So because the name, this name is a temporary variable and self.name is a permanent object data. So age is a temporary variable and self.age is a permanent object data. If you don't use self, data will disappear after function ends. That's why we use self.name and self.age here with self.